Good morning, all. So today class, let us discuss about DevSecOps as well as cloud overview along with AI strategies. At the same time, AI Infra Specialist scenarios also. Let us try to discuss. So before that, let us discuss how we are going to deliver our course. First, let us see. And also, let us discuss about our organization structure as well. Our organization name is ITS Code Private Limited. And here we started with training 6 years ago. After that, we expanded our services different domains, architecture, consulting, and also we developed our own product as well. So product name is FIRA, which is a business management software. We address like retail. We started with retail. Now we are addressing enterprise clients as well. Okay. This is about our product, FIRA product. You can see that. Okay. We implemented this solution on the Google Cloud, and we are running on PaaS model. Okay. And apart from that, so we have our own training services division. So this is the one, academy.itscode.in. The other site, you can go to this site as well, academy.itscode.in. Okay. So here we mentioned detailed roadmap, whatever courses we are offering, and the duration, all these things here we mentioned. Okay. So you can select any one of the course, like so we are offering different courses, multi-cloud Azure AI, and this 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. and DevSecOps 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. and AI Infra Specialist 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. If you need all these three scenarios, you can go for bundle course as well. This is the bundle course if you need all these courses, right? So based on your availability, you can choose these courses. So because important factor is time, you need to have sufficient time. Then only you can achieve these courses, right? Based on your bandwidth only, you can select these courses. Okay. And also, let us see. So we'll explain how we are going to execute one by one. Let me explain that. And before that, let us go through our galleries also. Apart from trainings, so we also conduct Tech Connect sessions as well. So offline Tech Connect sessions also we used to conduct different Tech Connect sessions. So we used to connect. We used to connect with the different tech leaders and industry people to share their experience with our students as well. Okay, so we have strong community. 5,000 plus students are there, and 1,000 plus students working with different organizations as well. Okay, these are all different pictures related to our scenarios you can see, and also just see our testimonials also from previous students as well. Just please go through our website so that you come to know the structure as well. Right. These are all testimonials you can see, and this is our YouTube channel also. YouTube channel. Okay. Let me show you this YouTube channel as well. So this is our channel. Okay. So please go to our YouTube channel as well. So we used to do videos based on the regular updates, recent updates, like as a cloud engineer, as a DevOps engineer, as a infra specialist engineer or infra engineer. So these are all things we are focusing. Please go to this YouTube channel as well. Other media, social media channel also will share that. So once we have like our introduction, let us have a Q&A session as well. Now, so these are course delivery a few introduction related points. Now let us see course structure. Let us see that. Let me show you this. Just give me 1 minute, please. Okay. So now let's see. So first 3 days. So let us connect. Let us connect at 8 a.m. Today 8:30, right? Tomorrow 8 a.m. Let us connect. For first 4 days, let us connect 4 days. 8 a.m. introduction sessions only. After that, so these 3 modules are there. Multi-cloud, okay. Multi-cloud, Azure and AWS, architecture and administration, 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. Once we complete introduction sessions, 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. IST. Okay. So around 90 days. And Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday. And then AI DevSecOps. AI DevSecOps. 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. 8 a.m. 60 days. Monday to Saturday. So, and here AI Infra Specialist. Why we created separate course? I'll explain as well. Specialist, because these two are same. These two are one bundle, but we classified into two different sections. Because of the course content, we increased course content, and it's very difficult to continue with single module. That's why we expanded two modules. Right? AI Infra Specialist, regular classes timings 5 a.m. to 5 a.m. EST. Same Monday to Saturday. Okay. So it's 45 days. Every 45 days, we are repeating the session. Now just let me explain. So why we are classified into three, right? So example here, different people joining in our training programs. So students, they can spend much time, like they don't have any issues to attend all three. But other people, but the fresher students, if they're facing any challenges, we suggest you to attend first two, right? Once you get some confidence, later you can see third one, right? For experienced persons who are working in different companies, their problem is time, right? Most of the time they are not able to accommodate sufficient time, right? In that use case also, so we suggest based on their time slot, we'll suggest you to attend these trainings. Right? If you have sufficient time, then definitely you can attend three as well if you are an experienced person, right? So also here we have new content. We added A-related content. That's why we classified into the separate section, and also we are repeating these sessions every 45 days. Right? Now, next steps. Let me show you our portal also, how to access all these courses also to see. So once you join our course, and we'll give you the access. This is our portal, and we'll provide you the credentials. And just go to access my space. With your credentials, you can access my space. Okay. So here you can go to your courses. Whatever courses assigned with your name, you can see that here. Okay. My courses. Right? These are all my courses. Like whatever courses you purchased, right? Based on that, courses will be assigned. And also your sessions will be displayed here. As of now, we are running Google, Zoom meeting, right? Later, we'll give you the portal access. Here itself, you can start attending your live sessions as well, right? So no need to use any other portal, any other link. So here itself, you can start accessing your live sessions. Okay. And then, so you can watch your videos and video recording. So here itself, you can see that just access course, and you can see your material as well as video recording also. Right? So here you can see this is a material as well as video recording. Here you can see that. Okay. So in this way, you can see our portal also. Right? And if you need anything, so you can use our WhatsApp groups and other scenarios also there. We'll see that. Okay. Now, so this is about our portal. So how you are going to access our courses and how you are going to attend our courses. So you can see this. Okay. Now, next steps. Okay. Next steps, let's see. Okay. So just give me 1 minute, please. Okay. So let me show you. Okay. Next, we are going to cover 3 clouds. But major clouds are Azure and AWS. For Google, we will try to cover few modules. Azure, AWS, and Google will cover few modules. Right? So you need to create 3 accounts: Azure, AWS, Google. Okay. Our team will suggest you how to create these accounts: Azure account, AWS account, as well as Google account. Our team will suggest you how to create these accounts also. Azure, if you observe, 30 days free trial is there. 30 days free trial. AWS, 45 days, sorry, 6 months. And Google, 3 months. Please try to utilize these credits. Okay. We'll suggest you how to utilize these credits also. We'll suggest you. We have a roadmap. You can see that also. Okay. So in this way, you can see these accounts also. Okay. And also let me show you this PPT as well. Okay. So here we mentioned points as well. Okay. Material and video recording. We have mobile app as well. So you can also log in this our mobile app as well. Okay. You can download our mobile app, Training Central mobile app, Trainer Central mobile app. Please try to download this mobile app. Whether it is iOS or Android, you can download this mobile app. Once you download this mobile app, so somewhere we mentioned this, log in your website, right? Install, and this is the website name, and we'll provide you username and password, and based on that you can start logging your account also. Okay? You can start logging your account as well. Okay. Now, so if you have any questions related to mobile app installation, other things, our team will suggest you on that. Okay. Now, next steps. Okay. Accounts we already discussed, right? Installations. Whatever things you need for our practice, right? So we are maintaining GitHub portal. So here we are maintaining GitHub portal. So within the GitHub portal, you can find out all our instructions as well. Let me show you this. So there is a portal called Practice Forum. Just go to this Practice Forum. So we will give you the access. So within that, you see, we are updating each and everything within this portal. Example, if you observe Kubernetes, right? So here you can find out our timestamp as well. We started around 2019, and 2021 onwards, we are capturing these scripts, all these things as well. Okay. So you can go through our portal, and here you can find out our scripts also, whatever scripts we are writing, right? So here you can find out, and you can go through the scripts as well. If you have any questions, you can also refer this scenarios also. Okay. And also apart from that, so apart from that, certification guidance. Once you complete your course, we'll give you the certification guidance also. These are all different certifications. Okay. So based on your modules, we'll suggest you to complete your certification. We'll help you on the certification as well. We have detailed roadmap. So there are separate sessions are there related to certification. Separate sessions are there. We'll suggest you to how to prepare, how to crack these scenarios. But you need to complete your course. Then only we can start preparing this certification related things also. Okay. Now, and apart from that, if you observe nowadays, like our software tools, any tool, if you observe, it's keep on changing. Any software, you can see that it's keep on changing. That's why we suggest you to participate communities as well. This is a key part. While learning new things, you should be in a community. Anyway, we are maintaining our own community. So we have our own community. So we have community 1,000 members who are working with different companies. So we have community, and here our people will help you. So who are working different companies, right? Suppose if you have any questions, you can post our WhatsApp group. Okay. WhatsApp group, so that they will help you on that if you have any questions. And also, while working in real-time environment, also if you are facing any issues, also we'll try to map right person with your issue. Right? At least initial 2 to 3 months, you need that type of help actually. Right? Now, apart from that, so we have different references from our community, because our students are working in different companies. They used to come with the different requirements, and the students, old students, and also different HR partners are there. We have contracts with HR partners, and startup companies are there. Startup and medium companies are there. Right? Startup and medium companies. Right? So we used to get different references through all these areas. Okay. But how we are addressing these scenarios, let me explain. Okay. Whenever if there any person comes with some requirement, how we are addressing this request, let me explain that. Okay. So let me close few windows. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. So now let's see. So we are daily you are attending training. Okay. After that, we are conducting daily practice session. Just see, this is the point we are discussing. So we have different partners, and these are all things are there, right? They used to come up with some requirements, right? So initial days, if you observe around 2020 and 2021, those days, we used to forward our students' resume directly without processing. But after that, we realized that we need a structured process. That's why we started practice sessions. We started different steps. Let me explain one by one. Practice sessions. So whatever class you attended, daily our team will conduct practice session. You need to attend these sessions. If you have any questions, please try to get resolved. So that you need to make sure whatever topics you are learning daily should not be having any doubts. So that our team will help you on that. If you have any questions, our team will help you on that so that you can get clarified those questions. Daily practice sessions. Also, if you have knowledge, you can also share with some other persons also. Right? This is the first thing you can see, that practice sessions, so that you will make sure whatever doubts you're having for the day and you can get clarified. Other one is our topic may take like around sometimes 10 days and 15 days. Once you complete your topic, so we are assigning assignments also. Assignments. So daily you're learning things, and once you complete your topic, we are going to assign assignments. You can see this. This is the website you can see. This is the website we are maintaining. This is the format you need to submit your efforts, whatever things you're learning. So you need to submit your efforts within our website. Each and every stage we are tracking. Okay. Each and every stage we are tracking. Okay. And also let me add one more thing as well. Just see, whenever you're joining our course, first we'll start with this session. Let me show you this. First we'll start with one-to-one session, because we would like to understand your background, because if the pressure is there, so if that person is already having some knowledge in college level, example, let us say, so he's having some knowledge in Java or some other thing, we would like to understand those skill set also. Based on that, we can set up some personal roadmap as well. So that's why we open some sessions here, right? Daily we are opening around 3 to 5 slots. You can book the sessions so that these things will be covered. So we would like to understand your background and profile. We'll set up a personal roadmap, learning roadmap, particularly interview point of view, right? To achieve interviews or to crack interviews. So we would like to understand your abilities, also weakness also, right? And also feedbacks, project explanation. These are all things will be discussed in this scenarios, okay? So that whoever joining this course, first you should book this session. Our journalist will start with our one-to-one session. Based on that, we'll try to set up a roadmap. Okay. This is the important thing. After that, you can start attending our course and you can start doing these scenarios, practice sessions, assignments, all these things. You can see that. So once you complete your assignment, right? So you need to we need a detailed documentation as well. You see here our student uploaded these documents also. This is the user story. Okay. This is the sample user story. You can see that. Okay. So here they used to complete this user stories, and they will try to upload it here. Right? They will try to upload with their own name as well. Okay. So in this way, we'll get confidence. Right? We'll get more confidence.
Not in.
Okay.
State over.
Okay. So they will get more confidence related to topic. Right? This is the second stage. First stage is attending training. Let's see. first stage, attending training, and second stage, practice sessions. Third stage, assignment, right? Fourth one is mock interviews. Okay. For each topic, we are conducting mock interviews. That's why we are conducting every 15 days. This for each topic, assignment for each topic. Okay. So mock interviews every 15 days. Every 15 days. Every 15 days, almost we are going to cover one topic at least. That's why so we are conducting mock interview. It means so you are attending training and you attended practice session, you get clarified in the each and every topic for the day. And after that, you completed the topic. And based on that, our team will conduct mock interview. So here you will get feedback as well for that particular topic. Right? So here, based on the feedback, we'll try to conduct we'll try to address individual person as a group. We'll try to conduct one-to-one or group sessions. Okay. And once it is done, once you're confident, right, then we'll try to identify each and every person database, and we'll suggest you to. Then once you're comfortable, then we will map this scenario profiles with this requirements. Right? Requirement here in this process, we'll try to help you resume preparation, right? Resume preparation and other things also will try to help you on that. So while attending interviews, we'll suggest you to reach each and every interview. Whatever things you are failing, please try to note down and just come up with your questions, and we are happy to help that while attending interviews as well. Right? So our journey is 6 years because we refined ourselves. Still, we are refining ourselves as well because we are identifying our issues and we are trying to redefine ourselves. Okay. So this is a process we are following, right? And this is a course delivery process you can see. Now let us see. This is a simple delivery process you can see. Now let us see other steps also. Okay. So Q&A sessions we are saying, right? We changed it to weekly and daily as well. Daily also we changed. And apart from that, we are also conducting real-time projects also. These are all related to individual topics, right? And once you complete your course, so you need to attempt multiple projects also. We'll give you the multiple projects. So you need to complete those projects also. Okay. And then next steps. So within this assignments, while submitting your assignments, we suggest you to you need to present your assignment also. Whatever things you learn, you need to present those things as well, so that our team members or whoever other student members, they may ask some questions. You can present your things, and if they have any questions, you can get clarified. Okay? So to build your confidence, we are doing this process also, group discussions as well as presentations. Okay, whatever things you're learning, you need to discuss multiple times. Okay. And apart from that, interview preparation, right? This is the process we are following. Once you complete this scenario, here we are calling it as interview preparation process. Right? We'll try to focus in this area. Okay. Now, because we are maintaining each and every student database, right? And also, we'll each one-to-one session, we'll try to track your efforts as well. You can also book your session. Suppose if you are facing any challenges while learning these things, let us see, okay? While learning your subject, if you are facing any challenges, you can book a one-to-one session also. Okay? So daily our team will be there. They're ready to help. Beyond that, if you are facing any challenges, please try to book a session as well. Okay. Now, next one. Okay. Who are coming from non-IT, we are conducting Agile Scrum, this separate session. And communication purpose, we are using WhatsApp groups. Right? So we have dedicated WhatsApp groups. So you can raise your query, or we'll share our contact number. And directly you can reach our people as well. Okay. So this is a contact number. Anytime you can reach us. Right? So this is a, let me show you this. Let me mention this number also. 94296. Anytime you can reach us. 93744. This is a toll-free number. You can reach us. Okay. Now, so okay, in this way you can see our course delivery process. And apart from that, you can also use GitHub issues also. Suppose if you are facing any challenges, you can raise GitHub issue as well. So here you can raise GitHub issues. Let me show you this. Suppose if you are facing any challenges, if you are not able to explain these issues through phone, right? Or then you can reach us, just raise a GitHub issue here so that our people may reach, they will try to resolve your issues also. You can see closed issues also, you can see that. These are all closed issues, you can see that. Right? Different issues, you can see that. Okay. Now, okay. Next steps. So this is a course delivery process, you can see. Now let us have a questions. If you have any questions, first let us address. Any questions, please? Okay. So next, let us see why we need to learn DevSecOps, cloud, and AI Infra. Why it is so important? Let us discuss that. Right? You see, now we need to set up one of the environment. Example, one of the environment we need to set up. We are working with Infosys. We are working with Infosys. And one more thing we need to highlight, like our students came from different backgrounds, right? So we don't have any prerequisites, right? We need commitment and continuity. These two things are important. So because based on the previous history, students' track record, so they came from different backgrounds, but they are able to crack their interviews as well. Okay. So we'll try to map relevant students as well. Suppose if you are a working person, we'll try to map with the specific students like who are working with different companies, right? So that you will get more idea or more roadmap, clear roadmap you will get. Okay. Now, so example, you're working with Infosys, and here first year you join and you're working first year, they assign one of the project related to some banking project. Example, this is the banking project. Here your role is, example, your role is, they are trying to set up one of the environment. This banking environment they are going to set up. Example, let us say HDFC Bank or ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank environment, example, they are going to set up, let us imagine. Right? If you observe ICICI Bank, so they need more security, right? Yes, sensitive transactions are there. So we need more security here. Okay. So first we need cloud environment. But here, while trying to set up your cloud environment, so how you are going to follow cloud architecture guidelines? Cloud architecture guidelines. Cloud architecture guidelines. Because just observe the issues. So whoever uses, they are trying to access this application. They should not hack this application. That is the first thing. Similar way, whoever working within this environment, internal people also, they should not hack this application, right? And also if more number of users, they are trying to access specific service, personal banking, right? And here also we should not get any impact. Always it should be up and running, right? And there should not be any issues. Okay. So ఇక్కడ మీరు ఈ అప్లికేషన్స్ చూసినప్పుడు స్టేబుల్గా ఉండాలి, ఎప్పుడు అవైలబుల్గా ఉండాలి, సెక్యూర్డ్గా ఉండాలి, అలానే ఎంతమంది యూజర్స్ యాక్సెస్ చేసినా సరే ఎలాంటి ఇష్యూస్ రాకూడదు. సో వీటన్నిటి కోసం మనం ఎలా సెటప్ చేస్తామనే దానికోసం మనం ఫస్ట్ క్లౌడ్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ అండ్ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేషన్లో చూస్తాం. ఓకే, క్లౌడ్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ ఫస్ట్, and once it is done, we'll see how to operate this environment. Just imagine Now they are trying to set up this cloud architecture, cloud environment for ICSA. Once it is done, they need to manage this environment, cloud environment. So we'll cover administration. Right? Cloud architecture as well as administration. So here we are going to cover Azure as well as AWS. These two clouds we are going to cover. Okay. So these two clouds we are going to cover. Okay. Now just imagine we are ready with our cloud and environment is ready. Now ICICI Bank, they're offering multiple services. These are all services, but these are all not static, right? So if anything like a new scheme comes, they need to add the schemes here. Example, some deposits, or example, some deposits, let us see. Some deposit related new features are there, new plans are there, right? They need to update these features also. Right? It means how to deliver these features with end users, whatever features they're adding, new features, okay? How to deliver with end users with secured way. For that, we are going to cover DevSecOps strategies. So we'll see what is DevSecOps and all these things also. First, let us try to understand very basic high overview. Let us see that. DevSecOps overview with AI strategies. Okay. Now, okay, this is the second one. Let us see. DevSecOps with AI. It covers, as of now, just see how you are going to deliver your application with end user. We are going to cover. Right? This one, you can see that. How you are going to cover, how you are going to deliver your application with end user, we are going to cover with DevSecOps strategies. And one more module we added, AI Infra Specialist. Why AI Infra Specialist? Let us see that. Okay. AI Infra Specialist. So if you observe nowadays solutions, everything is related to agentic, almost all of most of the things, right? And also, if you observe our workloads, whenever we are trying to set up your applications, so generally we will use some servers and other things. Now they started using AI solutions with different infra scenarios, Kubernetes and other scenarios. So most of the companies, they started OpenAI, similar way, DeepSeek or Gemini, right? So many companies. They're building this infra, right? But some companies, they need their own solutions as well, AI solutions also. For that, here our role is very crucial. Cloud engineer, DevSecOps engineer role is very crucial. Right? That's why here we added one more layer also, AI Infra Specialist. Whatever AI solutions you are providing, as a cloud engineer, as a DevOps engineer, how we are providing the solutions in terms of AI, these things will be addressed or AI Infra Specialist. So here you can see under AI Infra Specialist. Under AI Infra Specialist course, we are going to cover that. So you can also go through our course content also. So here we mentioned course content also. Right? So just go through our portal. There you can see our course content as well. Okay, these are all courses are there. So please go through these courses and you can see our course content also. Okay. So here somewhere we mentioned course content also. Okay. You can also go through that. Okay, and then next. So we are explaining our courses, 3 different courses. We explain why these are important, very important for our traditional, not only DevOps and cloud, who are working in the software development lifecycle environments, any person, right? These are all very important things. Right? So just let me show you this terminologies. Initially, people started with on-prem data center servers, after that cloud and IoT edge devices. Now we are saying machine learning, right? Machine learning, Gen AI, Gen AI, and also Agentic AI. Just observe these evaluations, right? So infra team or whoever is the developers, right? How they are participating all these areas. Currently, we are in this stage. Currently, we are in this stage. That's why we are focusing the structure. Right? So how we are going to deliver as a cloud engineer, as a DevOps engineer, not only DevOps engineer, as a developer, these are all things will be addressed here. Okay? So we'll see that. Right? Till now, if you have any questions, first let us address. You can also send Zoom chat message as well. Any questions, please? Okay. Now, so till now we observed high level overview, right? Now let us see very basic point. Let us start with very basic point. So why we need to learn, just we discussed. Now let us come back to very basic points. Let us see one by one. Okay. Now, so let us see that. Let me close a few pictures. Let me just give me one, please. Okay. So here you can see that. Okay. So let me open this picture also. Right. Example. First, let us see applications first. Right. So what is the application first? Let us discuss here. Okay. So if you observe your application, different types of application first. Here I'm trying to access one of the application. So here, this is my desktop. Okay. This is my desktop. Users. Okay. And this person need to access Excel, MS Excel. Okay. But before that, we need some package. If you observe MS Office, జనరల్గా మనకి ప్యాకేజ్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ ప్యాకేజ్ తీసుకొచ్చి మీ సిస్టంలో ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తాము. మీరు ఏదైనా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తాము, తర్వాత యాక్సెస్ చేస్తాం. Okay. So here we need some package. Okay. So we need package. So we are trying to install this package in this system. Okay. Then we can start accessing our application called Excel example. Excel Jesse. This is the Excel application. MS Excel. Okay. One second. Right. This is the Excel Jesse. This is the MS Excel Jesse. If you observe these options, these are all things will be developed by our developers. Right? First, developers, they will try to develop the code. After that, they will try to convert this code into deployable format package. That's why whatever packages you are seeing, they're all in the some package format. Right? Whatever code is you are seeing under package format. You can see different packages also. Just go to downloads and just find out some sample installation files. You can see any installation file. So example, let me show you some sample installation files. Example, let me show you. Okay. One of the sample file. This is the Zoom installation. Just see. Suppose if you are trying to attend Zoom meetings, we need Zoom package, right? You need to install this package, then you can start accessing your Zoom application exe file. So this application also developed by our developers. Similar way, and other one to see, and Microsoft Teams. Right? These are all things will be developed by our developers. Then they're going to convert this code into a deployable format package. Then we'll try to deploy this package with our system. Then we'll try to access this application. So in this way, you can see that. And here you may have one more question. As a DevOps engineer, as a cloud engineer, do I need to learn coding? Right? So here the thing is, DevOps person, he's trying to coordinate with all the team members. Right? Just we need to coordinate with all the members, but we need little bit scripting. We'll see that. Very human readable scripting. Right? It's very easy to learn. Right? Now just see. This is the flow. Just see. developer is trying to develop the code. After that, we'll try to convert this code into package. Then we'll try to access this application. This application, you can say client application or desktop application. Client application, just see. Client application. Okay. But here, few limitations are there. Only few members can access this application because we don't have much capacity for our desktops, right? Just see, this is our desktop. So here you can see users. Right? Only few users we can accommodate. Just see. So we onboarded only one user, but you can see this metrics. If you onboard one more user, you may end up with performance issues. Right? So this is a client application we are calling. Now I need to access one more application called IRCTC or some other application. Example, let us say some IRCTC or some XYZ application. IRCTC, I need to access. Okay. So here, this is the one IRCTC application I'm trying to access. So just see, this is the business logic. This is the business logic. Okay. Now developers, they are trying to develop this logic and code. And once it is done, they will try to convert this code into deployable format package. Right? They will try to convert this code into deployable format package. Okay. So here you can see that. Okay. Package. Then this time we'll try to deploy with servers. So just see, whatever code is there, so it was developed by developers, then they will try to deploy this code and convert this code into package. And this time we'll try to deploy with our servers. Because just see, here this is the difference. This application accessed by lakhs of users. So we need powerful systems, right? For that, we are going to use servers. Right? Different servers we are going to use. Servers, you can see that. Now here, multiple users, they started accessing this application. Through web browser, they're going to access, right? So IRCTC. This application you can see IRCTC. Okay. This application you can see web application, you can call it as web application. And also next one just see, next one just see mobile apps. Right? Mobile apps we are seeing. Okay, mobile apps. Just see WhatsApp. So we are planning to use WhatsApp. WhatsApp vendor is releasing new features. WhatsApp, just see. Okay, this is the WhatsApp. They're releasing new features. Right. So here they're releasing new features. Example, some status or some other option they're releasing. Developer. Okay. They're developing WhatsApp new feature. After that, they will try to convert this code into package. Okay. Package. Okay. Then this time they will try to publish this package with Play Stores or mobile Play Stores. Okay. So here you can see Play Store. Mobile Play Store. Okay. Then our app, this is a Play Store. We will try to fetch our updates from Play Store. This is our app. We'll try to fetch our updates from Play Store. Then our users, whoever users are they will try to access new features. Okay. So these new features, they are trying to access it. Okay. This application we are calling mobile applications. Okay. Now let us come back to our agentic app. Next version is agentic. So we observe traditional structure, client applications, web applications, mobile applications we discussed. Now let us see agentic applications. So we'll try to cover that part as well. how you are going to cover this, how you are going to implement this solution. Before going to the agentic apps, agent A apps, first we need to understand basic structure. So once it is done, we'll try to observe these scenarios also. Okay. So here, this is the requirement to see. If you observe current scenarios, let me close few windows. Just give me 1 minute. Let us observe high level overview, very high level overview, just observe that. A to A, just ignore this part, but let me explain this. Agent registry. Just see this registry so that you will get some idea. So how industry is changing, then how to redefine ourselves, we'll get some idea. Okay. Agent discovery is somewhere, it is there. Agent registry is there. Okay. So whatever regular use cases are there, those are all simplified, automated. Right? Example, let's see. So here two different organizations are there. Right? So make my trip. Right? Make my trip. Some portals are there, right? This is a make my trip portal. My trip. Okay. So make my trip portal is there. Now here we are going to book our. This is a portal. Now you need to book ticket. Right? These are all different airlines. Indian Airlines. Right? And this person, he need to travel some USA or some other, let us say New Zealand or some other place. He need to travel. And Australian Airlines or UK Airlines, British Airlines, okay, Airlines, and so on. Okay. So here, communication. Suppose if you are trying to communicate one organization to other organization, now they started using agents. Okay, agents, they started communicating with each other. We don't want to discuss more detailed way. Let us discuss very high level overview. We'll see that later. Once we understand basic points, let us see that. Right? So here, whenever he is trying to book the ticket, they will try to reach agents. Right? So we'll try to understand in this way, like how we are going to establish connectivity and communication. So with the help of agents, just forget about technical things. Organizations, multiple organizations, how they are communicating. And here the thing is security, right? How they are focusing security, right? So we are simplifying the things, but at the same time, we need to focus security as well. Okay. So how we are going to achieve all these things, we are going to observe that. As of now, just ignore, because once it is done, once you complete basic structure, then we'll see other scenarios also. Okay. Okay. Till now, if you have any questions, let us discuss. Any questions, please? Okay. Now, so we observed the structure, right? And also let us see very basic point. Let us try to understand that. Okay. Let us try to understand very basic point. Let me show you this. Okay. So here, this is the application. These are all developers, Amazon developers. And Amazon developers are trying to develop the code. Our end users, they are trying to access this application. Right? We are users. We don't know whoever developed this application, but we are able to access this application without any issues. Example, this is the application. Amazon just see. So once you visit this website and just click this items, and then we'll try to review these details, right? So price and discount, also some configuration or some metrics you can see, right? These are all things first we'll try to understand, and based on that, you can start purchasing these items. But if you observe this data, these are all things will be developed by developers and other teams just seen. Okay. Now, initially journey will start at developers. after multiple stages, we are going to access our application. Just forget about multiple stages as of now. Let us observe very basic structure. As of now, let us call multiple stages. Okay. Multiple stages, let us call. These are all multiple stages. Okay. Now, this show, let us say, what is the price here? Some price 1200 something. Okay, 1200 some price is the Amazon selling 1200 price. Amazon. So here Amazon developers, they created one version called V1 and 1200 price is there. They updated their within their code. Right? Now our users, they are trying to access this application with 1200. Amazon, they observed that due to the business competition, they would like to drop down this price. Instead of 1200, they would like to go for, right, 1000 rupees only, or 900 rupees example. Because of the business competition, Flipkart also selling same price. That's why they would like to drop down this price. Okay. Instead of 1200, now they're offering 900 rupees. Okay. So this is the one to see. Instead of 1200, now they're going for 900. But just see, if they're trying to do these changes, first developer, they should do changes in the code side. And after multiple stages, our users should access this application. But it may take some time. Just imagine, these are all things currently we are accessing through big sale. There is a big sale going on. It is limited to only 5 days or 6 days. Example, let us imagine. It is only for 5 days. Okay. Within this 5 days, this developer should change this price and user should access. It may not be possible if you are using traditional structure, because we are referring entire software development lifecycle stages: development, testing, operations. Operations, so many teams are there. Database, storage, OS, security, monitoring. So many teams are there. It's very difficult to onboard this application. Now we are referring entire teams. DevOps or DevSecOps, it refers to entire teams. It's not limited to any specific team. Within your software environment, entire teams. As a DevSecOps engineer, we used to coordinate with the entire teams. Right? We'll try to understand entire structure so that we can understand where we can automate this things here. Right? Now, within the 5 days, it won't be possible. Now, so first thing we observed velocity. Right? This is the disadvantage you can see. Right? We are not able to deliver as per the business requirement. We can deliver, but as per the business requirement, we are not able to deliver. Second one is, now just imagine, they have taken around 2 months. Now they are able to develop and they are able to deliver. But whenever they are trying to access with new price, just imagine now the price is 900. Whenever they are trying to use add to cart or buy now option, it is showing some error. It means somewhere they did mistake. Either it is development side or testing side or whatever it is, or operation side, somewhere they did mistake. But that they are not able to capture that issue. Second issue, we observed quality. Okay. And one more thing, just see, if you observe this application, different parties are there. Different parties. Customers, they will try to purchase the products. Okay. And also sellers, whoever sellers are there. Reebok also one of the sellers, right? They will try to publish their products in the Amazon. Right? Sellers. And also IT team is there. IT team, they need to manage this environment, Amazon environment. And also delivery boys are there. Delivery boys, only they need to deliver the items. They should not steal any information, credit card or some other information. These are all different roles, but how to achieve security. Okay. So here we need basic cloud environment we are going to set up. And also we are going to add AI strategies also. This entire structure, right? So how we are going to achieve security? in terms of roles while accessing these applications. At the same time, each and every stage, how you're going to achieve security and parallel feedbacks. End of the day, we need these things: security, quality, and velocity. Okay, security, quality, and velocity. Right. So these are all things we'll try to discuss coming classes. Right. Just be and observe basic structure. Why we need to learn first. Why we need to learn DevSecOps and Cloud AI Infra. And second thing is how it is important for our environment. Right. So we discussed this point. So now if you have any questions, let us discuss. Any questions, please? Okay. Yeah, tomorrow onwards, 8 a.m., 5 a.m. IST for 4 days. Later we'll see next schedule. Okay. If you have any questions also, let us, please reach us directly. Please reach me directly. Through my personal number, you can reach us. You can reach me. Okay, 5 a.m. IST. I'll share Google our Zoom link for a few days. Right. Also, we will provide the portal link as portal access as well. This is the portal we are going to provide the access. Right. This is a portal, and you can go through our portal, and there you can start accessing your course content as well. Okay. So if you are facing any challenges, our team will help you how to access this course, and we'll help you on that. Okay. Any other questions, please? Okay. Please go through the session. So we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you all. Yeah, please. Yeah, please.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ Kubernetes and there are some courses in your list, right? మన DevSecOps ఉంది, DevSecOps ఉంది, and AI agents along with Kubernetes Docker. So these are all topics covered in this course only, right?
Yes, same course.
So no need to take other courses. So all the courses will cover in this.
జస్ట్ ఒకసారి నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఇక్కడ మనం ఇలా మాడ్యూల్ కింద డివైడ్ చేసామండి. ఎట్లా అనేది చూపిస్తా ఒకసారి. సో ఇక్కడ 3 మాడ్యూల్స్ కింద డివైడ్ చేసాం మనం. ఇది మీ ఫ్లెక్సిబిలిటీ బట్టి చూడొచ్చు. మీకు అన్ని కోర్సెస్ కావాలంటే ఇది ఒక బండిల్ అండి. ఇది బండిల్. ఇది ఇది మీ టైం బట్టి, మీ ఫ్లెక్సిబిలిటీ బట్టి చూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇది
ఓకే డన్. ఓకే అండి. అయితే సో ఈ కోర్స్ అయితే అన్ని కవర్ అవుతాయి. అండ్ మనకు ఆల్మోస్ట్ as we discussed, right, 3.5 months or to 4 months.
Yes. డైలీ 3 months ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి మనం మోస్ట్ ఇదంతా కవర్ చేస్తాం.
షూర్ అండి. ఓకే.
ఇంకేదైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు డైరెక్ట్గా రీచ్ అవ్వండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.